Salam, welcome to my channel. My name is Jamal and today I will be showing you how to make the beautiful sauce called tzatziki. Called sauce, salad, whatever. Let's start. I was in Greece the last year and I ordered tzatziki at every restaurant. I'm serious. I enjoy tzatziki with every single meal, even breakfast. This recipe tastes just like the authentic tzatziki. Let's start with the cucumber. I like to peel them off cause sometimes the skin has a bitter taste. Now our cucumber is clean, it's time to grate it. I use the large holes of the grate box to have some long pieces of cucumber in my tzatziki. It adds some crunchy aspect to the sauce. The grated cucumber looks and smells very fresh, but it's still very moist. We don't want the moisture of the cucumber to ruin our tzatziki, so we need to drain it very well. For now, we will leave it to drain on a colander for a while. Let's add some salt to the cucumber to make it dry faster. While our cucumber is drying, let's prepare the rest. We put the garlic in the food processor with some olive oil to make it smooth. I don't really like the strong flavor of garlic, this is why I'm using garlic powder. In another bowl, we put 300 grams of Greek yogurt. First we add the oil and garlic mixture to the yogurt. Then we squeeze half a lemon juice on top of it. I'm using my hand here to avoid having seeds in my tzatziki. Now we season it with some salt and black pepper. Now give it a good mix. And let the mixture rest for 5 minutes to allow the flavors to melt. Now let's check our cucumber. They released some moisture as you see, but they are still wet. I will use a towel to squeeze them better and to remove the rest of the moisture. After all the squeezing through the towel, it looks better right now. As you see, this amount of moisture will ruin our tzatziki, so it's important to remove it. Now we add the cucumber to our yogurt and give it a really good mix. Now the final touch. Let's add some fresh dill. Add the chopped dill to the mixture and give it a really good stir. It's now to see how it tastes. Really good. Serve the tzatziki immediately or chill for later. We can keep the tzatziki in the fridge for about 4 days. Enjoy it.